In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Play Store payment declined. If your purchase on the Google Play Store was declined, it usually comes down to a few common issues: incorrect card details, not enough funds, a bank or security block, an expired card, or a verification hold on your Google account. We'll walk through each fix in order so you can get back to your download or subscription quickly. First, verify your payment method in the Google Payment Center. Sign in with the Google account you're using on your phone, open payment methods, and carefully check the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Even a small mismatch, like the wrong postal code or an outdated address, can trigger a decline. If the card is expired, add the updated card your bank issued. Next, make sure you have enough money available. If your balance is low, the bank can reject the charge, especially if there are pending holds. Also confirm that online purchases and international transactions are allowed on your card or e-wallet. Some banks turn these off by default or limit them for security reasons. If everything looks correct, try removing the card and adding it again in the Google Play Store app. Open the Play Store, tap your profile picture, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods. Remove the problematic card and add it back. This refreshes the payment token and often clears temporary errors. Clearing the Google Play Store cache is another quick fix. On your device, open Settings, go to Apps, find Google Play Store, then Storage. Tap Clear Cache. If issues persist, you can also tap Clear Data, then restart your phone. Clearing data may reset some in-app preferences, but it can resolve stubborn glitches. Now, verify your Google account. Head back to the Google Payment Center and look for any alerts. If Google needs ID, card verification, or address confirmation, complete those prompts. These safeguards help prevent fraud and can block payments until they're resolved. Make sure the Play Store app is up to date and your connection is solid. Use a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network and restart your phone to refresh background services. An unstable connection during checkout can interrupt the authorization. If declines continue, contact your bank. Ask if online or international transactions are enabled and whether purchases from Google Play are being blocked for security reasons. They can remove blocks or raise limits. Finally, if none of the above works, try another payment method. Another card, PayPal, Google Play balance, or carrier billing. This is often the fastest way to complete your purchase while you sort out the original method.